Hey there, ever heard the classic click of a Zippo lighter? For over 90 years, Zippo's been more than just a lighter. It's a badass symbol of toughness, style, and epic stories. Today, Zippo produces 28,000 lighters daily in Bradford. George G. Bladel invented the Zippo lighter in 1933. Workers eyeball every weld to make sure it's perfect. Here's what goes inside. Flint and wheel. A tube holds the flint, which a toothed wheel strikes to spark it up. The wheels carefully lined up for reliable sparks. Wick and cotton. The wick soaks up fuel, and cotton acts like a sponge to hold it, sealed tight with a felt pad. Cam and spring. cam makes that legendary click sound. And the spring keeps pressure on the flint. Every unit's put through the ringer. A rubber wheel spins the flint, a sensor checks spark strength, and techs light it up to confirm it's windproof. Then, the inner unit slides into the case with final checks for a snug fit and a sharp click. Collector Todd puts it best. Vintage Zippos are history you can hold. Most were never lit to keep their value, but each one's got a story from its time. From war to pop culture, these Zippos are legacies that have collectors dropping serious cash to own. Zippo's more than a lighter. It's a buddy that sticks with you through thick and thin. Whether it's a flame in the trenches or a memory carved on its case, Zippo holds your story. With unbeatable quality and collectible swagger, it's still killing it in 160 countries. Got a Zippo tale? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you next time.